Hello children. Today we are moving on to the fifth module in which I'll be teaching you the fourth stroke. So totally I said there are 8 strokes and now we are in the fourth stroke. So as usual we'll write the date today. Today is 24th of July 2020. Okay. So now we'll draw the columns and be ready for the stroke. So, the fourth stroke is called the pigtail stroke. Okay, so now I'll tell you why I am calling this a pigtail stroke. Hope this looks like a pig. Okay, can you see? Just showing it close by. Okay, so the pig's tail has some curls in it. So this stroke is very similar to the curls in a pig's tail, and with this stroke we are going to make 5 alphabets. So I'll start now. Slanting stroke, stop it at the blue line, a small round at the top. Can you see? This is called the pigtail stroke. Slanting stroke, stop it, a small pigtail. Slanting stroke, stop it, a small pigtail. Slanting stroke, stop it, a tiny pigtail. Slanting stroke, stop it. I'm saying stop it at the blue line because if you start turning it before touching the blue line, you'll get a fat circle like this, which is wrong. Okay. So in cursive writing, all the alphabets are thin and slanting. So try to make the pigtails also as small as possible so that it'll be nice. Can you see the pigtails? Can you see the tiny circle? I'm just focusing it for you. Can you see? So it has to have a tiny circle, but when you keep it far away, it's not that clear. So just try to master the stroke. Slanting stroke, a small pigtail. Let us keep doing for the whole page. It's a simple exercise, right? Just do it for one page every day. Don't do more than that because you'll get bored. So parents also kindly don't force children to do more than one stroke per day initially. Maybe for high class children, you can always tell them to finish the strokes in one day, maybe in 1 hour, so that we'll be able to do all the alphabets in 8 classes. But for smaller children, kindly don't force them. Let them get a feel of the writing. So slanting stroke, a small pigtail at the top. Slanting stroke, a small pigtail. Slanting stroke, stop it, a pigtail. Stop it, a pigtail. Slanting stroke, stop it, a pigtail. Slanting stroke, pigtail, pigtail. Can you guess what are the alphabets we'll be doing using this stroke? Let me not tell you because let it be a secret so that it will be interesting for you. Now itself, if I keep revealing these are the alphabets, then it won't be interesting. The class won't be interesting. So any guesses? Keep me posted. Slanting stroke, stop it, a small pigtail. Slanting stroke, stop it, a small pigtail. Stop it, a pigtail. Be careful, let the lines go, not go below the, can you see this is slightly gone? Below the line, it should not. Slanting stroke, pigtail. Slanting stroke, a tiny pigtail. Slanting stroke, a tiny pigtail at the top. Slanting stroke, a tiny pigtail. Stop it, make a pigtail. Slanting stroke, pigtail. Stop it, make a pigtail. The last line, a tiny pigtail at the top. Make a pigtail. Stop it, make a pigtail. Stop it, make a pigtail. Slanting stroke, a small pigtail. So guess you have understood how to do the pigtail. Okay, you have to turn it backwards to make. You have to, I'll just show this. It's not getting focused. Slanting stroke, turn it backwards and backwards, and you're making a pigtail, right? Do you understand? So make the pigtails as tiny as possible so that the alphabets will look nice. Okay, bye.